Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be making fried chicken wings. These are super crispy and easy to make. Keep watching and I'll show you how. To start off, we'll be making a seasoning blend. I used Old Bay seasoning, soul food seasoning, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and garlic pepper seasoning. We are making a lot of seasoning because we'll be splitting this in half. The recipe with exact measurements will be down below in the description box. You want to give this a really good mix and combine all the seasonings so that it's fully blended in together. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Also leave a comment down below what you guys would like to see me make next. Your seasoning blend should look something like this. Here I have about 3.5 pounds of chicken wings whole. To it we'll be adding half of our seasoning mix and 2 beaten eggs and also some mustard. Yeah, I was really struggling with this mustard. It's a brand new package too, but it would not come out for nothing. But this was my first time adding mustard to my chicken wings and it turned out so good. You guys should really try it. And after that, we'll just give this a really good mix. Make sure all the seasonings and the mustard all fully mixed into the chicken. Look at all that seasoning. It turned out so good and it's really worth it. Now we'll be making our flour mixture. I have about 3 cups of all-purpose flour and to it I'm adding half cup of cornstarch. And we'll also be adding the rest of our seasoning blend. And then you will give that a really good mix in so the flour, the seasonings, the cornstarch, everything is all combined. Now we'll just be coating our flour with the chicken, and this part should be really simple and easy. And you want to shake the excess flour off the chicken. You'll just continue the same process until all the chickens are fully coated, and then you want to set them aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, it is time to fry the chicken. I fry these chickens for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure to fry these in batches and do not overcrowd the pot. I gave them occasional stirs so they're not sticking to the bottom or sticking to each other. Do y'all see how crispy and good this chicken looks? And this was so easy to make. So I just continued on with the rest of the chicken until they were all fried. And that is it. This recipe was so easy to make and so good. These were gone in seconds. And I hope you guys give this a try. Give this video a like. If you're new here, please subscribe. See you guys next time.